Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a bookmark out of air-dry clay. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need about 100 grams of air-dry clay, a small rolling pin, a craft knife, and a ruler. Also, make sure you have a non-stick surface, such as parchment paper, to work on. Having everything ready makes the crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's get to shaping. Take your air-dry clay and roll it out evenly to a thickness of about 1/8 of an inch. This ensures your bookmark will be sturdy, but not too bulky. Next, use your ruler and craft knife to carefully cut out your chosen bookmark shape. A rectangle about 2 inches wide and 6 inches long works wonderfully. Don't forget to gently smooth any rough edges with your fingertips or a slightly damp sponge for a polished look. Patience is key for this next step. Drying. Place your shaped clay bookmark on a flat, non-stick surface and let it air dry for 24 to 72 hours. The exact time depends on your climate and the clay's thickness. Remember to flip it every 12 hours or so to ensure even drying and prevent any warping. Once it's completely dry, you can gently sand any small rough spots with fine grit sandpaper for a perfectly smooth finish. Finally, the fun part, decorating and protecting your unique bookmark. Once your clay is fully dry and smooth, unleash your creativity with acrylic paints, markers, or even glitter. After your decorations are dry, apply 1 or 2 thin coats of a clear sealant or varnish. This will protect your beautiful design and make your bookmark more durable. For an extra touch, you can add a small tassel through a pre-made hole.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.